All right, I'm going to show you how to potentially make a print and cut sticker. So let's say that you went to something like Pixabay, which has stunning free images and royalty-free stock, or maybe something like Noun Project that has icons. I'm going to choose a peacock for today. So in these peacocks, they're black and white, and because I'm going to get to print it in color, I want to choose something that's a little bit more vibrant. So let's go ahead and choose a peacock and Pixabay, and I'm going to choose something that's more of an illustration, kind of like clip art style. And let's say that maybe I like this rainbow peacock here. And I'm going to go ahead and have a free download. I'm going to download it. That size is fine. I'm not a robot, and I choose the bicycles. And I, to be honest, maybe see something that looks like a bicycle there. And we'll click on next. Traffic lights. I see that part being a traffic light. So since we're not asking you to log in and be a registered user, you can download for free using Pixabay. So I'll save it somewhere on my desktop called Peacock with all that left over. And it saves as a PNG file. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cricut design space. And I'm going to upload that image. So I go to upload, and I'm going to browse for that peacock with a bunch of stuff after it. And I'm going to choose this peacock. I'm going to choose complex, click on continue. So you can see this when it says preview cut image. You can see that, and that's actually where the cut pieces are. I'm not actually going to want to cut all that out. I just want to print out this beautiful, vibrant peacock. And I'm actually going to try to create an outline around it to cut, and I'll show you how to do that. So I want to do print and cut. I'm going to go ahead and upload it. And in this upload, it's going to show me here. I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to add to my canvas. So now I have an image to work with. It's a little bit bigger than I want, so I'm going to do it to about 4 inches for now. And so you can now see that there's a print and cut image. Again, I don't want to cut all the little details. I want to actually use this function called offset. So I'm going to choose offset. And I'm going to offset it by a 1/4 inch. I could change it up, but I'll just go ahead and choose a 1/4 inch. You can make it bigger or smaller. And it takes a little bit of time for some reason right now to offset this. So we'll wait for a moment. And then it finally allows me to apply. So now this is actually about the size of what I want to cut. It's only in black because it's kind of showing the default color, but I could put it in gray, and ultimately it doesn't really matter what I cut it from, but sometimes I'll put it in white to take a look. Now, this still wants to cut out all these little pieces. So in order to make it so that it's just going to cut the outline like a white border plus the peacock, I'm going to choose both of those things and choose flatten. After I'm done with that, then I can go ahead and say, and I'm going to take this, and you can see that they're both made together. I would click on make it, and this is where I would hook up my printer, and I would be able to print this design first. It would have its registration marks, and then it would cut around it.